100 doctor and hospital words for kids with simple explanations. Let's learn doctor words. Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ben and welcome to Kindle Seeds, where learning is fun and your questions matter. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. Let's help our new channel grow. Today we're learning all about 100 doctor and hospital words and explanation. Are you ready to explore the doctor and hospital words with me? Let's go. Let's start with people who help in the hospital. When we go to a hospital, we meet many helpful people. They each have a special job to make sure we feel better, and they are 1. Doctor, a person who helps you feel better. 2. Nurse, someone who helps the doctor and takes care of you. 3. Pediatrician, a doctor for children. 4. Dentist, a doctor who takes care of your teeth. 5. Surgeon, a doctor who does operations. 6. Therapist, someone who helps you talk about feelings. 7. Optometrist, a doctor for your eyes. 8. Pharmacist, the person who gives you medicine. 9. Receptionist, greets you and helps check you in. 10. Paramedic, a person who helps in emergencies. 11. Radiologist, a doctor who reads x-rays. 12. Lab technician, a person who tests your blood or samples. 13. Orthodontist, a dentist who fixes crooked teeth. 14. Dermatologist, a doctor for your skin. 15. ENT specialist, doctor for ears, nose and throat. 16th psychologist, a brain and feelings doctor. 17th anesthesiologist, doctor who helps you sleep for surgery. 18th chiropractor, a doctor who helps with your back. 19th assistant, a helper to the doctor or nurse. 20. Caregiver, someone who looks after people who are sick. Are you learning something today? Now let's explore places and rooms in the hospital. When you visit a hospital, it's like a big building with many special rooms, each with an important job. Let's explore them. 21st, hospital, a big building where sick people get help. 22nd, clinic, a small place where you see a doctor. 23rd, emergency room, ER, where you go for quick help. 24, waiting room, where you sit before seeing the doctor. 25, check-in desk, where you give your name and appointment info. 26, patient room, a room where you rest or get checked. 27, operation room, where surgeries happen. 28, ICU, a room for very sick people. 29, X-ray room, where pictures are taken inside your body. 30, lab, a room where they test your blood. 31, pharmacy, is where medicine is kept or sold. 32, restroom, is a bathroom in a hospital or clinic. 33, cafeteria, where you can eat food in the hospital. 34, recovery room, is where you rest after surgery. 35, play area, sometimes kids play place in kids' hospitals. 36, reception area, entrance where you meet staff. 37, hallway, a passage connecting rooms. 38, elevator, helps people move to other floors. 39, stairs, steps to go up or down. 40, parking lot, where you park the car. Good job, little Kindles. Let's talk about tools and equipment needed in the hospital. What do doctors and nurses use to help us feel better? Hospitals are full of helpful tools and machines. Each one has a special job to help people heal. Let's explore them. 41st, thermometer, tells your body temperature. 42nd, stethoscope, used to listen to your heartbeat. 43rd, bandage, covers a cut or wound. 44th, cast, hard wrap for broken bones. 45, syringe, used to give medicine or shots. 46, needle, tiny sharp tool for shots. 47, X-ray, a picture of inside your body. 48, blood pressure cuff, wraps around your arm to check pressure. 49th, crutches, help you walk if your leg is hurt. 50th, wheelchair, a chair with wheels for people who can't walk. 51, walker, tool that helps people walk safely. 52, gloves, worn by doctors to keep clean. 53, mask, worn to keep germs away. 54, clipboard, holds the doctor's notes. 55, reflex hammer, used to test your reflexes. 56, tongue depressor, helps check your throat, 57. Scalpel, tiny knife used in surgery, 58. Bed, where you rest in the hospital, 59. Monitor, screens that check your heart and body, 60. IV, drip, gives your body fluids or medicine. Great work, Kindle Seeds. Now let's talk about feelings and checkup words, what you might say or hear at the doctor's office. When you go for a checkup, it's important to talk about how you feel. Doctors also use special words during your visit to check your health. 61. Checkup, a regular visit to see if you're healthy. 62. Appointment, a set time to see your doctor. 63. Fever, when your body is too hot. 64. Cough, sound you make when your throat is itchy. 65. Cold, you sneeze, cough, and feel tired. 66. Flu, makes you feel sick all over. 67. Pain, something hurts. 68. Ache, a soft kind of pain. 69. Injury, when something on your body is hurt. 70. Allergy, when your body reacts to something. 71. Rash, red spots on your skin. 72. Swelling, when something puffs up. 73. Bleeding, blood coming out. 74. Bump, a raised spot from a hit. 75. Cut, a small opening on the skin. 76. Bruise, a purple mark on the skin. 77. Heartbeat, your heart going thump thump. 78. Breath, air going in and out of your lungs. 79. Sneezing, a chew from your nose. 80. Crying, sometimes kids cry if they're scared or hurt. Great job. Now let's learn about treatment and safety words. What helps you get better and stay safe at the hospital? When you're at the doctor or hospital, you might hear some special words that help you understand what's happening. These words are all about healing and staying safe. 81. Pill, a small round medicine you swallow. 82. Syrup, liquid medicine. 83. Shot, medicine given with a small needle. 84. Vaccine, a shot to protect you from getting sick. 85. Check your temperature, use a thermometer. 86. Stay still, don't move during a check. 87. Take deep breaths, helps when using a stethoscope. 88. Open wide, what the doctor says to check your mouth. 89. Say, ah, used when checking your throat. 90. Stay calm, helps during a visit. 91. Hold still, be steady for a test or picture. 92. Clean hands, helps keep away germs. 93. Sanitize, clean something with alcohol or spray. 94. Germs, tiny things that make you sick. 95. Healthy food, food that helps you grow strong. 96. Rest, helps your body heal. 97. Take your medicine, follow what the doctor says. 98. Follow-up visit, come back later for another check. 99. Get well soon, what people say when you're sick. 100. Medicine, something that helps you feel better. Wasn't that amazing? Now you know who helps you at the hospital and what they do. Remember, every helper wears a smile, and so can you. Thanks for watching Kindle Seeds with Dr. Ben. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning every week. See you next time.